Good morning. What is your name?
My name is Sharon Viron Cales.
What is your age?
I'm 28 years old,
Which were you born?
1987.
Do you have a valid work permit and a Hong Kong identity card?
No.
Do you have a valid passport?
Yes.
Do you smoke?
No.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because I want to help my family.
What is your hometown?
Antipolo City.
What is your level of education?
College level.
Are you married or single?
I'm married.
Do you have children?
Yes.
How old are they?
8, 6, 4, and 2 years old.
Who takes care of them?
My mom and my husband.
How many people are in your family?
6.
Are your parents alive?
Yes.
Do you have a financial commitment to support any all of them?
Yes, because it's my obligation to support my family.
If they fall sick, who can take care of them?
My mom?
Do you have any debts either here or in your home country?
No.
How many years of experience do you have?
1 year.
What do you enjoy most about the job?
Taking care of the child.
Do you have allergic for foods, drugs, and detergents?
No.
Are you afraid of pets?
No.
How did you handle conflict with your previous employers?
I will say sorry and I will follow my employees want.
Do you accept your day offs but to be paid by your employer?
Yes,
In your last place of employment, were both employers working?
they have business here in the Philippines.
Was your primary childcare or housework?
Child care.
How many hours each day did you work?
8 to 10 hours.
Do you have a first aid certificate?
No.
Would you be willing to attend such a course?
Yes.
If my child burnt their hand in the iron, what would you do?
I will clean the burnt part and I will put burnt ointment in it.
If my son was being very naughty, when you were babysitting him, what would you do?
I will try to talk to him and convince him that it is my job to take care of him.
Are you willing to wake up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes.
Can you cook?
Yes.
Which cuisines are you familiar with?
Filipino food.
Would you be willing to cook vegetarian Chinese food?
Yes.
Can you speak Cantonese?
No.
Are you willing to cut your hair short?
Yes, if needed.
What do you like to do in your spare time?
I love to read books.
Do you have any special skills like dancing, painting?
I can sing a little.
Do you have any message to your employer?
Good morning. I'm Sharon Viron Cales. I hope you will choose me to be your employee because I promise to do my job well.
Can you recite or sing one nursery rhyme?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Thank you.